So I cut the bottle wrap in half, and this is going to be for the Wellie Wisher. So I've cut it. Now I'm going to use some Velcro, which red looks good. So I'm going to cut this and make it about like a ½ inch. Use this for Barbie dress later on. So I'm going to take this and put the loopy side here and sew this down to the top. You don't have to finish the hem off or anything. You just put your Velcro right there and clip that off. And there is that side. That's how it looks. Then you're going to turn this under like this, and you're going to put the soft. You've got it like this, but you're going to turn it under so you can do it like that. So here it is. You turn it under just a little bit and you cover it with the soft Velcro. So you're going to sew that up here and make sure that you catch this in the Velcro. Let's see. And I'm using red thread because the Velcro's red. This really doesn't matter. You have the red trims on there, so. Okay, I'm going to clip that off, clip this off, sew this down a little bit better right here. Okay, then there's what that looks like. Then you're going to Velcro it on. Stuff will stretch when you're sewing it. Clip the threads off. Then you have an ugly sweater for Wellie Wisher. Now you have the ugly sweater day for the Wellie Wisher doll. I made a skirt. Just cut a rectangle, made her a skirt, and now she has the ugly sweater day. And there's the back, and there's the front. And she's ready to go.